It's a 1965 Ford Mustang. Wow. That beauty. Look at that. What a nice car. 289 engine. 2.2.
You gotta get some slicks for it. Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Okay, and here we have another one. GT 500. Oh. Okay. This one is a 67. Wow. Okay, we're at the...
No, that's not Mike. That's not Mike. Mike's is down back. He brought his mom.
Heartland Antique Show in Heartland, Maine. Ooh, look at this one. There we go. Nice Mustang. Nice color, too. Okay, this one's a 2000. So not really the antique, huh?
Look at this truck.
Okay. Oh, look at that pretty little green one. Cats suck. Imports are like... Okay. Not gonna read that that one out loud. Look. Okay, imports are like tampons. Every pussy has one. Okay, somebody who really hates women. It's a man's truck for sure. Kind of small. No use for women at all. That's terrible. This is a 1984 S10. Okay, that sounds like a bad marriage story or something. Pretty bad guy. Okay, this is a 1963 Chevy C10. Oh, look at that blue on that. Oh, look at that dash. That is nice. Pretty. Right. Alright, so every year, this is the 10th annual year that, this is 1963, the 10th annual year that the High Plain Consolidated School has this auction here, antique car thing. It's not an auction, antique car show. Auctions other stuff here on the other side. So right now is the antique vehicles. Okay, here we go. Hope you've enjoyed this. Be sure to sub me. Bring you more videos of more vehicles.